orders intraday. Every day, live sessions will be happening, and I'll be releasing videos as well, where you can place orders. Like you can take the sell orders. Right now, we are seeing Reliance stock, which is retracing a bit. We are just watching whether we can go to buy or sell in this specific stock. Right now, we are watching Reliance. Yesterday, it has gone very high. Now, there is no momentum either up or a downside. We are just watching if there is any trade happens now. We're going to take. That could be a buy or a sell. European markets has opened. After that, the Reliance has been in the range bound action. It has been moving here and there, a little big candles we can see, but there is no big momentum in it. These are the two candles actually after the Europe markets has opened. There was a big little selling pressure, and right now we are seeing some kind of downside pressure here at this level. So this the circled one candle has the circled one actually has a big volume. It has a big volume here. You can see in the down. So after that, the market is coming down a bit. And there is a support here around 110. Sorry, 2110. Maybe here it can take support and then move upward like this to the higher side. Expecting a little pullback down here after this expecting a pullback here after this big candle. There are 3 lakhs shares has been changed in this candle. 3 lakhs has been traded, and now it's coming because of that pressure. This candle is forming in a bearish candle, but I don't think this is going to make a big downward momentum. I'm expecting this stock to come over here around 2110 and then take a upside momentum. Some kind of a retracement, I mean pullback is happening over there. We need to see one more candle uh, to check if that support has been formed for that. Once the support has been formed, it can rise from there. We are expecting a support around 2110. Any bullish candle formation, any bullish candle formation here will be an opportunity to buy this stock, Reliance, and target to the upper side. Right now, the trading, we have very less time for the to do the intraday trade at this hour because all the brokers intraday's trades will be closed by 3:15 to 3:20 time. You need to close those intraday open positions. We have very less time left over, approximately 30 minutes left over from here on. It's not a good way to take it by. If you want to do little call, something like 5 rupees or something like that, yes, you can take, but you cannot hold a longer time. Take the buy and come out with $5 to $6, sorry, 5 to 6 rupees target from here. I trade in international stocks, so excuse me for that. I've used dollar terms here. It's it has come to the low of approximately it has come to 2117 rupees, and now a bullish candle formation is happening here. Possibly this can go to at this level nearly 136, 2136 can be possible. The big concern here is you can watch in the bottom of the screen. There are two red big candles. These are actually volume indicator. This is a volume indicator. You can watch these two big candles, this one and this one. The both has formed a very good volumes here. That is why there is still will be some kind of a pressure on this candle. Once that pressure has gone, we can expect a rise from here. The market is still in a forming a support zone. It's still in the actually selling pressure. Once that support zone has been formed over there, then we can expect a move upside. We do intraday trades as well as a long-term holding stocks. I'll be posting every day these videos how you can maintain a portfolio and how to trade these markets live intraday as well as the long term. In the long term, targets will be given. For Reliance, it is 2,500. is the long-term target. Yesterday we have done a very good trade from 2070 to 2120. We have taken a buy at 2070 levels, and that was a very good trade. Still in the selling pressure, actually. This is we are waiting for this candle to close. Yeah, still there is a selling pressure. That is why we need to wait for the confirmation. Till then, you should not enter the market. Once we get the confirmation, then we can go and buy it. But in this case, we have very less time to buy now. I have not taken a sell position because yesterday's big uptrend was a scary. So I don't want to go against to the trend. I just want to ride the trend. Generally, when you go against to the trend, it it you get a very less percentage of winning because you have to trade with the trend, not against to it. Intraday, sometimes yes you can do, but yesterday's the run in Reliance is very fast, so we cannot go sell today. It's just a position adjustments what we are seeing now. The past 3 to 4 candles, the market is coming down, but this is a position adjustment of the FIIs or a domestic retail traders. Yeah, even now 2010, 2110 is not holding as of now. I'm expecting a support here. There is a slippage. Yeah, it's slipping down 7. That is candle closes. Then we know if that that is a slippage or the support has been broken. Generally, when buying and selling happens, you cannot exactly tell that this support has been broken because that there is a noise happens when buying and selling occurring. So these kind of a candles actually shows you that the support has been broken and then immediately recovers up. That is called a false breakout. So we need to check that this is a false breakout or it's a real breakout. If the real breakout happens, this stock goes even further downside. The next downside target could be 2073, but that long. I'm not expecting that long today. So yeah, I just came yesterday's hourly lows of 106. There was yesterday this 106 has been formed hourly low. I'm drawing out here. It is coming close to this, and then moving up. Possible support or breakout. We'll check that out. This kind of a candle is a doji candles. Uh, they have a small body and tall wicks. These are the tall wicks actually we are seeing. These are the tall wicks and a small body on it. This this red one is a very small. It can even become a green body if it goes a little up. This is a doji formations. These formations are very common in at the support levels. It's now 3 o'clock. Uh, we can't take the trades now at this hour. Very closing time for the intraday. All the brokerage firms will be closing the intraday positions from 3015, sorry, 3:15 p.m. to 3:20 p.m. So it's not a good time to take new positions. But I can tell you let's discuss a longer term view of this stock. Reliance. Reliance has a very good fundamentals. This is into many businesses actually. Recently, they're buying pharmaceutical companies. They're buying. They are in talks with the future retails. The final stage is happening now. They can finish this deal very soon. Yeah, expecting this thing in the end, the last half an hour, it can go a little higher. Maybe it can go a little up like this the next half an hour. To take the intraday, it's not good now. you want to hold buy now, close tomorrow morning, then yes, you can buy now, close this trade tomorrow, but not for the intraday. This specific candle right now we are seeing is a lot of buying has happened here because these three candles, this one has formed here down three candles, three volume candles, big volume candles. So after this third candle, this the last candle, you can see there were still sellers. There were still sellers. By seeing this volume, there were still sellers, but that selling pressure has been taken out by the buyers because they are taking all the cells that they are selling. These guys are buying. That is why you can see this doji formation candle, the last one. This tells us that some support, the demand is happening here at these levels. Yes, looks that selling pressure has been reduced. We'll check that out in this candle. Um, this candle is actually represents that some buyers are here. The demand has come over here. That is why it has formed a doji or a hammer. Because there is a lot of at the bottom you can see the volumes. These volumes are very high. All the selling pressure has been absorbed by the buyers. There is a demand here. So what next can be happen? We'll wait here. Once this doji top has been broken, here is the top, doji top. If the dozy top has been broken here, then this is the top actually. This top has been broken, then we can go, it can go a buy side. But still, if this bottom, if this bottom has been broken, this area, the dozy bottom, then that means still that selling pressure is continuing. We'll see what happens now. If this breaks this candle low, the previous candle low, then we can tell this is going to actually again going down. Still there is a selling pressure. This candle has not settled yet. Can it form a support here at the circle area? We'll check that out. Here is the one the previous low has happened. So if this can take a support or not, we'll check that out. The volumes are pretty high here at the bottom. At the bottom you can check these volumes are very high. Okay, it's coming down. Looks the selling has not, the buyers not catching up those pressured sellers. There was a fight here in the previous candle between buyers and sellers. There was a lot of exchange had happened in the previous candle, but at present again the selling comes back. That is why when this doji or a hammer candle happens, the previous candle, you need the confirmation. The confirmation is when this doji upper wick has to break, upper wick has to break, and then it has to go up like this. Okay, it's still struggling to struggling at the support levels. Yeah, the intraday timing almost over, so we cannot able to take the trade now. Uh, But tomorrow morning, I'll again open a live video the market hours so that we can check it out. And you can check it out all the trades that I'm gonna place. Uh, in the next coming up videos, like I'm going to share my portfolios. What are the stocks that I'm holding for the longer term, and what are the stocks that we trade intraday. Intraday is a fun actually, we take some money out of the table and come out very quickly. For the long term view, and I'm going to hold it for 6 months or an year or more than that sometimes. I take trades in gold. I hedge the positions, something like, when I have a some money in the stock and some money will be in the precious metals like gold, silver, copper. Actually, safe havens is the one when the economic situations are not good. Then we invest in debts, invest in debt markets like interest bonds or something like that, or we place in a gold, silver. These are the actually safe havens. So even in the US dollar. So by distributing your money into different sectors, different areas, is guarantee you that you will not going to be lose your money. So how much money you have to allocate, that depends on the situation. Actually, when I allocated my money into gold, I've taken it. I've taken it around 2,500. Sorry, 3,500, 600 levels. That is pre-COVID time that I have taken the gold positions. Why I have taken? Because stock market was the time going in a one way for the past 5 to 6 years or more than that. It's been going in one side. So there was inflations happening all over the world, and so the stocks has to correct downside. So I have allocated some money into the gold in last year 2019, and after that this COVID situation has come up. I hold it, that thing, still holding it. My target for the gold is 6,000. Actually, I thought of before COVID, I thought of closing my positions around 5,000 levels. Now it is more than 5,000. It's 10 grams trading at 50,000. 1 gram is, yeah, 5,000. But in terms of actually gold, actually we calculate in 10 grams gold. So 10 grams is more than a 50,000. It is now trading. So my next target is a 6,500 for the gold. So most probably I'll be closing some of the assets. Already a few of the assets have sold out in the gold, 1/4%, and 3/4 still holding it. I'll close some of them, I mean half of them, let's say in 6,000, and finally 6,500. The entire asset, whatever I have invested in the gold, will be sold out. When that can happen maybe year end 2000 or 2021 starting or something like that. So we can expect the gold to go over there. About the silver, yeah, silver is also has a very good run. It's a precious metal and it is used for the industrial purpose as well. This has a very good sorry this has a very good run up. So we can expect this silver as well. Very good bull run from already it has started. It will go even further. Okay, I'll be sharing all my views in the coming days. Please subscribe to this channel so that you can get all my views. You know where you have to put the money, how to distribute it, and when you have to exit. And you can ask me questions like uh, if you have taken any share purchased. So those stocks, if you have a doubt on it, please send me a question. I'll answer you regarding whether you have to hold it or if you want to buy a new stock. I'll share with you. I mean, I will be explaining you whether you can take it or not. Please subscribe this channel. Hit a bell icon so that all the videos, whatever video I post, it will come to your phone immediately as soon as I post it. So for this intraday, it's very, I mean, timing is critical. So you need to get this video on time. Please subscribe. Okay, thanks. I'm going to close this live session now. It's already 3:20 p.m. A little support has been taken, but nothing there to go and take a position in Reliance now. Tomorrow, I'll do the live session. Let's do the trading tomorrow. Thank you.